Hi, this is Jeff. I'm doing activity 11.6 installing web enrollment. Our objective is to install web enrollment. Description: You have several certificates that you don't want to use. Enrollment for and have found that using the certificate snapping is cumbersome for some users. You install the certificate authority web enrollment service and test it by requesting a certificate from your Vista computer. If you want to test the connection from your CA server or domain controller, you must enable IE to run advanced controls. So first, let's log into the Windows server, which I've already done. So menu left ping, select roles. And then add the role servers. Okay. Okay, so let's do that. Enterprise root, new public key. Okay, this takes a couple minutes to install. And this takes some time. Yeah. Okay. Click close on that. Let's go to. Now let's go to start. Administrative tools. Internet Information Services IIS Manager. Let's click the second PC node. And then select the second PC node, which I've already done. And then you there we go. Okay. Then you kind of lost my place here. Let's double click server certificates. In the actions pane, click create domain certificate. And the common name is here. Let's see. The common name for me is Psychedelica. Psychedelica PC .jeff.com. More organization is server 2008 AD class. Organizational unit is my name. City is your city. And state. Click next. Click select. Friendly name is friendly name is Psychedelica PC. pc.jeff.com. Finish. Whoops. Well, it'll have to stay like that. Okay. In the left pane of IIS Manager, check the sites node. Right click default website and click bindings. Click the type list arrow. And then add HTTPS IP address 192.168.75.20. Okay, click HTTPS, click the SSL certificate arrow. Whoop. Remove that and that one. Did it wrong. There we go. SSL certificate. Right now have the default selected.
Fuck.
Let's do this. Okay. Close.
Fucking bird.
Okay, and then we now it's log into
Wow.
the 7 computer. Let's click on Internet Explorer. For this, we do not have internet, so I don't know how well this will work, but I can try it. Type HTTPS dot, I mean, 2 slashes. Whoop. Type in HTTPS colon psychedelica pc dot jeff.com slash srv. Okay, just I thought this is not gonna work because I do not have an internet connection. Okay, from in the address box and put in our when browser for username name password log on salesperson1 with the UPN syntax. The web enrollment homepage opens. Click the request certificate link, and then click user certificate. The user certificate identifying information window is displayed, which informs you that you have no more information. However, you must start stalling at best control as indicated by the yellow information bar. 17. Click the yellow information bar at the top of the web page and run at the best control. Click run and click allow, and then submit. When asked whether you want to request a certificate now, and click yes, and click allow in the Internet Explorer security message box. The certificate issue windows, and click install this certificate. In the web access confirmation message box, click yes. You will see a message indicating that the certificate has been installed. It's close Internet Explorer and IIS Manager. Log off your computer, but stay logged into the server. Okay, I guess that concludes this video. Thank you.